Hello and welcome to Scientifically Speaking. Did you know that magnets make a sound? Yes, that's right. All magnets make a sound. All waves, electromagnetic waves, all make a sound. They can be like white noise that you hear on your TV when it's all staticky, to the noises that you hear coming from Jupiter or even our own Earth. What is on screen is a magnet with its north facing towards us and the south field facing away, underwater, approximately 1/8 underwater. And what happens is that the field extends out as two separate fields, one on the north and one on the south. And because it's the inertia line, vortices come out of the inertia line where the two fields, north and south, meet. So what we are seeing on screen is a vortice shooting straight upwards from the edge of the magnet. And because it has a double helix rotational field, it creates an ever-growing sphere of water. I don't believe anybody else has done these experiments except myself. If you just place a magnet underwater, you won't see anything. You have to have a lined background that reflects off the water. And as you can see from the timestamps above, the sphere, or oblique sphere, because it's not a complete sphere, as you can see it's squished. This is how the Earth is formed by the sun under its direct influence of electromagnetism. Any shaking on the screen is me walking around. So this is what happens because water is diamagnetic. It is formed into a sphere when placed above a magnet. Thanks very much. My name is Lee. I follow the Christ, and I'm telling you about all the things he showed me in visions in 2014. Thanks very much.